Hello, guys. You can see it's my friend Ethi, and she is reading book because she's very brilliant student. But I'm not. I'm so much weak student. Hello, Ethi. Ethi, look at me. You can see he's very good student. Okay, but actually, you can see I'm calling her, but he just reading book. Just imagine how much she attentive with her study, and you can see she's very attentive. Okay, but I'm not. Actually, I want to become a good student like her. And not only she is brilliant, but also she looking like so beautiful. If I say in one word, she is look like so beautiful. And if I say there is a dialogue, hey, so beautiful, so elegant, just looking like a wow. And there has another word. If I say in one word, it look like a super califragilistic expialidocious. Am I right, Iti? Hey, Iti. Bye.